एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
Salman Bhai's father Salim uncle once advised me that whenever in life I come across a talented person, I should never let that person go and keep him or her close to me. He advised me to help that person grow his or her talent. Today, I met Ranuji and I felt that she is blessed with divinity. Her singing was mesmerizing and I could not stop myself from offering her the best I could. She has a God's gift which needs to be shared with the world, and by singing in my upcoming movie Happy Hardy and Heer, I think I'll help her voice reach everyone.